Hello friends, welcome back. This is Cool IT Help. Today in this video session, we will learn how to apply blur on a moving object inside Filmora. Let's begin. The process is simple. Let me show you the version of Filmora I'm using. This is the 15.6.12. And now I need a video on which I will apply a blur on a moving object. So I'm looking for a football video. If you have different video, maybe the object is different. So right now in this video I'm going to select a moving football and I will apply a blur on that. In your case it may be a person, it may be a cycle, it may be a car, or it may be any moving object. See this. So we will apply blur on this moving football. Let's begin. So I have drag and drop this clip on this track, and now what I have to do, just select this clip. Now go to the right hand side in this video tab. Now come to the basic tab. Here you have to scroll down and look for the motion tracking. So we have this option, and here's the toggle button. Please enable this toggle button. Once you enable the toggle button, you can see a rectangle will appear on your video. With the help of this rectangle, we have to select the object. You can simply place this rectangle on the object for which you want to apply the blur. Right now, I want to apply the blur on this football, so I have placed it, adjusted as per the size of the object, and simply click on this button. Okay, now Filmora will automatically detect its motion inside the video clip. Okay, see this. If you play the video, you can find that rectangle will move along with your object. Now the second step, we have to blur this. Now it's very simple. If you see just below, you have a link element drop down. Just click on it. You have these two options: import. You can apply any image, or you can simply put a ready-made blur options available here. Mosaic. So just select the mosaic, and now also you can adjust the mosaic. Different kinds of mosaics are available, so select any one which suits you better. Also, we have this slider to adjust the blur amount. Opacity will be definitely 100%, and you can adjust the blur as per your need. Okay, different kinds of blurs available, so please select any one of your choice. It's done. Now we will test it. Simply play this clip and see the magic. So friends, you have seen the blur effect is applied on this football perfectly. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.